I had mine. Wait till you get started filming, come in here. Hey, what you?
Hey guys, it's your girl Polish Beauty and welcome back to the channel. So today, if you love this look, and I think it's absolutely stunning, we are about to use some brand new, I've never used before drugstore products. We're gonna use the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Zoo Primer. We're gonna use the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation, and we're going to be using the e.l.f. Hot Jalapeno eyeshadow. I guess this is the quad. But before we do that, how about you reach down and hit the subscribe button? But you guys are going to want to stick around because I definitely think this could be a little bit of a dupe of a high-end product. So if you guys want to see how I got to this with these products, make sure you stay tuned, and you want to stay tuned for my final thoughts. But right before we started, reach down, hit your subscribe button, and now we are about to get into it. Okay, so first I'm about to use I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with the Dew Jelly Primer. I like to prime my face and let it sit a little bit. It definitely feels like jelly, like sticky. Oh man, it's definitely tacky. Okay, so now we are about to maybe I zoom in a little bit. Do our eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. One of their new little quads. It's the Bite Size Eyeshadow in Hot Jalapeno. And I haven't even used this before, but we're about to use this and do a little look with it. I'm gonna go in with this lighter color right here. I'm going to take that up into the crease. So as I said, we are just taking that lighter color into the crease and blending that out. We're going to do that to both sides of the eye, well, to both eyes. So I am taking a flat shader brush, and I'm with a 6 Plus, and I'm going to go into that green shimmery shade and just take that over to the lid. Now I'm taking some more of that light green shade, just take it up above the crease on. Now we're going into that darker shade, just putting it on the outside of the eye, taking it into the crease just a little bit, this is going to add depth to the look. I took my finger and I dabbed it into the gold shimmer shade, and I put the gold shimmer shade on top of the green shimmer shade because I wanted the gold to shine through. I wanted the green and the gold to shine through, but I wanted to just double up those shimmer shades just to give my look just, I guess, just a little bit more pizzazz. This is the Covergirl Clean and Fresh Silk Milk in the shade 610 Rich Deep. Next, we're going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Not cream contouring. I only just use the bronzer. We bronze the face and bronze up the nose. That's the Tarte blush in the shade Exposed. going to finish up my look and I will be back. Okay guys, I am back with my final look. How do you like it? So I'm loving this look. Like, I think it's super, super gorgeous. Okay, let's go in with the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow palette in Hot Jalapeno. This palette I purchased from Ulta. It was $3. It was pigmented. It was very easy to blend. It definitely performed. I think the eye look came out amazing. But I also think that this palette is not a complete dupe, but it's very similar to the Natasha Denona Mini Gold eyeshadow palette. So if you like the Mini Gold, which I absolutely adore, this is a Hot Jalapeno from e.l.f. This one is, the e.l.f. one is $3. The Natasha Denona is $25. It's not a complete dupe, but if you like the greens and the golds in there, I would definitely think the e.l.f. one is a cheaper option, and it definitely works. I don't know if these shadows are going to last all day, about, you know, because like I like my eyeshadows to like last all day. I like my makeup to look like I just put it on. When I'm taking it off, I like to be beat in together. The next new product I used was the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer, and a lot of people says that this primer is a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've never used the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, but this primer is definitely sticky and tacky, and they say that when it's tacky and sticky that it helps grips onto your makeup and helps your makeup last longer. Now I like my primers to blur, so I think this primer does what it says it does. It's definitely very tacky and very sticky. It's very tacky and very sticky. So if that's the type of stuff that you're looking for, I don't know if it's a dupe for the Milk, because I've never used the Milk one, but it's definitely sticky and tacky. But if I could zoom in, I like my primer to blur. And, you know, so I guess it does what it says it does. It is hydrating and it does grip. Now, I definitely think this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette is the star of this look. But this Covergirl Clean Fresh Silk Skin Milk is definitely the star of this show. Now, I love this e.l.f. primer. And I told y'all this is in the shade Rich Deep 610. I bought this from Ulta. Let me see how much it costs real quick. So it's made, I think this is Covergirl. It costs $11.99 on Ulta, which is why I purchased mine. It's vegan and formulated without talc. It says it blurs imperfections, evens out skin tones, it's sheer buildable coverage. It's supposed to be like your skin but better, and I definitely think this is like my skin but better. Like, I love this foundation. Now, like you say, it's a sheer coverage, so you're not gonna get super duper coverage, but you do get some coverage with this, and I absolutely love it. Now, I don't know how long this was last, but I think this is a good product. I actually like this foundation. Now, if it holds up, then it's going to be the MVP. But I definitely think it does what it says. It's like your skin, but better. I definitely think my skin looks glowy and radiant right now. And I absolutely love this product. Okay, you guys. So now that we finished up my final thoughts, I want to try to tell you guys everything that I used on my face, because I don't put it down in the description. So if you can't see on my lower lash line, I use a little bit of a burgundy type color. I did dip into my Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, and I use this shade Glory. That's what you see on my bottom lash line. My brows, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. I concealed my brows with my Too Faced concealer. I did not do any contour today. I used bronzer, and I did show you guys that I used the Hoola Caramel bronzer. I set my eyes and everything else with the Pretty Vulgar. I set the rest of my face with my Sephora Compact Powder, my Micro Smooth. I don't know where I put it, so it's not right here so I can show you guys. But I did use it on my lips, I use my Too Faced. I love this Nip Slip, my nude lipstick. And this is Nip Slip is the shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is an absolutely beautiful formula. Like, this is a good formula. Too Faced did that. And I lined my lips with a cheap little, I don't know, but it's brown. It came from Dollar General. And let's see. I use mascara. I use the Roller Lash mascara. I think that's pretty much it. I set my face with the Morphe Jeffree Star Setting Mist. I did not like this too hot when I first got it, but it's definitely growing on me because I've been using it because you want to get your money worth. But it's definitely, the Morphe spray is definitely growing on me. But hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and thank you guys for joining me.